We begin with form, crown height, brim sweep, and a symmetry line that governs every step.
Vent holes are not decoration. They are engineered breathing points, positioned by template to stay perfectly mirrored.
Every dimension here becomes a promise. If the master form is true, the production line can repeat it.
A good product is a controlled journey. Each station receives a defined output and hands off only when standards are met. We don't chase perfection by luck. We repeat it by reference, by checks, and by discipline at every handoff.
Batch IDs protect consistency. Every piece knows where it came from and where it must go next.
No shortcuts. Each cycle starts from a verified baseline or the product drifts. Forming is where structure is born. Heat and pressure demand protection and exact attention. Heat softens, pressure defines, and time locks the curve. Repeat the recipe. Repeat the shape.
This is the first truth test. Surface, symmetry, and edge discipline determine whether the shell can become a clean, uniform helmet.
Stability is manufactured, not assumed, and cooling on form preserves symmetry and protects the curve we just created.
Trimming isn't removal, it's definition. We cut to a reference line so every brim edge becomes identical, safe, and ready for covering.
We verify roundness after trimming. A clean edge is not enough. Geometry must survive refinement, or every next step inherits drift.
A clean vent edge is the foundation for hardware.
If the hole is stressed now, the eyelet will fail later, so we polish the cut before we add metal.
Eyelets are reinforcement by compression. If alignment is correct, the metal seats flush and locks the vent without stressing the shell.
Flush outside, smooth inside. A good eyelet is invisible in comfort, but obvious in strength. Gates keep quality honest. When structure and hardware are confirmed, we move inside. Comfort, fit, and wearability.
We seat the liner from the center outward. The crown must be smooth first. Comfort begins where the head makes first contact.
The sweatband must be centered and flat. If the front contact is wrong, the helmet will feel wrong, no matter how perfect the outside looks.
We finish seams for touch, not for looks. If a fingertip can find a ridge, a head will feel it for hours.
Before we lock anything, we prove alignment. A strap set in the wrong orientation cannot be affixed later without leaving marks.
Retention is only acceptable if comfort survives it. We check strength and skin safety in the same breath. We test the retention system under load. Passing means no slip, no loosen, no damage, only controlled strength.
Final QC is not a glance, it's a sequence. We confirm geometry first, because shape controls everything that follows in wear and appearance.
If it touches the head, it must be soft. Hardware strength means nothing if comfort and safety fail under long wear.
This mark means the whole process held. It's not decoration, it's accountability from design to shipment.
Secure shipping is engineered. Wrap tension and overlap protect the product's shape long after it leaves the factory. Dispatch is the final handoff. Documentation ties every helmet to its batch, its checks, and its destination. No gaps, no confusion. Made to hold its shape, built for comfort, finished with discipline, from form to field.
A finished batch doesn't end the story, it resets it. Repeatable quality is a loop, guarded by gates and measured at every pass.
We build shape first. We protect comfort always. We pass only what we can repeat.
Small rings, big trust. If hardware isn't perfect, the whole story breaks.
It must hold under tension and disappear in comfort.
Measured, checked, finished. If we can't repeat it, we don't ship it.
Quality is a chain. We don't strengthen it with words. We strengthen it with checks, craft, and proof. Release is a decision. We ship only what has been measured, verified, and documented.
Delivery starts with handling. Smooth motion keeps geometry intact and preserves the finish we work to protect. The first inspection is the same everywhere. True quality looks consistent in any light, in any hand.
Precision in every fiber. This is the Quality Manifesto. We define the form, we control the process, we verify the result, then we ship with proof.
Consistency is a loop. The line doesn't remember. It repeats because we force it to repeat.
A product is only as strong as the system behind it. We show both, so the result is believable.
Quality is not a moment. It's a method, repeated, checked, and renewed every day. We don't rely on memory. We rely on settings, checks, and a recipe that stays inside the limits.
Shape, comfort,
Strength,
Proof. If any link breaks, we stop the chain.
We don't claim quality. We document it through checks, standards, and repeatable control.
Built for consistency. Finished for trust. Released with proof.
Quality is a loop guarded by gates. Every batch starts with standards, and every finish proves them.